to pair over Bluetooth your Shokz OpenFit 2 Plus, first thing you have to do is to open the case. If it's the first time you do it, you will see the light over here blink from green to orange. But it's not the case right now, so what you have to do is you see that button over here, you press and hold it for 3 seconds or until the light just like that. So, once it's like that, it is in pairing mode. So if you reach the Bluetooth settings on your phone, you should see the OpenFit 2 Plus by Shokz in other devices. So if you click on it, it will connect right away. So this is done. They are now paired together. Now, if you want to know how to pair multiple devices with this headphone, please see the video just right here. I hope this was helpful.